You likely spent hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on your Windows PC. So why, out of the box, is Microsoft treating you like a free product? Those random suggestions popping up on your taskbar, start menu, and lock screen are not harmless tips. They are aggressive tracking beacons. Microsoft has quietly enabled a hidden, unique advertising ID on your machine that monitors your clicks, your app usage, and your habits to build a profile and serve you targeted content. Not only is it a massive invasion of privacy, but these background processes are actively chewing up your system resources and slowing down your processor. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are cutting Microsoft's telemetry off at the source. Whether you are gaming on a high-end rig or working remotely from a laptop down here in Cancun, I am going to show you the 3 0BS steps to permanently turn off this tracking and purge every single pop-up ad from Windows 11. Let's lock it down. Step 1. Killing the advertising brain. First, we need to delete the unique identifier Microsoft uses to track you. Open your main Settings app and click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar. Under the Windows Permissions section, click on General. You will see a list of toggle switches. Turn every single one of them off. The most critical one here is the setting labeled Let Apps Show Me Personalized Ads by using my advertising ID. Flipping this switch disconnects your personal profile from Microsoft's ad network. Step 2. The lock screen purge. Next, we are taking back your lock screen. Microsoft uses this real estate to push sponsored content disguised as trivia. Stay in your Settings app, then navigate to Personalization Lock Screen. If you see your background set to Windows Spotlight, change that drop-down menu to Picture or Solid Color. Once you do that, a hidden checkbox will appear below it labeled Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and More on your lock screen. Uncheck that box immediately. In Microsoft's language, Fun Facts is just a Trojan horse for targeted advertisements. Step 3. Cleansing the File Explorer. Finally, we need to stop ads from literally invading your personal file folders. Yes, Microsoft is doing that too. Open your File Explorer. Click the 3 horizontal dots at the top of the window and select Options. When the Folder Options window pops up, click over to the View tab. Scroll down this list of advanced settings until you see the box labeled Show Sync Provider Notifications. Uncheck that box and hit Apply. This permanently stops Microsoft from pushing OneDrive upgrade ads and software trials while you are just trying to look at your private documents. And just like that, your PC is officially ad-free, and your base-level privacy is completely restored. But purging those pop-ups is only step 1. While you were distracted by the ads, Microsoft has quietly weaponized Windows 11 by baking aggressive, always-on artificial intelligence directly into the core of your operating system. These hidden AI tools are designed to silently read your screen, analyze your personal files, and send your local data straight back to their servers without your explicit permission. Click the video on your screen right now titled Disable Every AI Feature Microsoft Snuck into Windows 11. I am going to walk you through the exact steps to rip these invasive AI tools completely out of your machine. Click right there to take absolute control of your PC. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you over in that video. If this quick system audit helped you take your PC back today, do me a massive favor and hit that like button and share it with a friend to push this warning to other frustrated Windows users.